am so sorry for your loss.
I am sorry for your loss.
I am so sorry for your loss.
I am sorry for your loss, my lord.
I am most sorry for your loss.
I am so sorry for your loss.
Oh, Mike, I am sorry for your loss.
Sorry for your loss.
I am so sorry for your loss.
I'm sorry for your loss.
I'm sorry for your loss.
I'm sorry for your loss.
Oh.
Sorry for your loss.
Oh.
I am very sorry for your loss.
Sorry for your loss.
Sorry for your loss.
For your loss? I believe you.
Stay strong.
Stay strong, brother.
Stay strong.
Stay strong.
Stay strong.
Stay strong, brother. Stay strong.
Stay strong. Stay strong.
Stay strong.
Stay strong.
Stay strong, bruh. Stay strong, man.
Yeah, just stay strong.
Stay strong.
Stay strong.
You are not alone.
You're not alone.
You are not alone.
Not alone. You're not alone, okay, Mama?
And you're not alone.
You are not alone. You are not alone!
And you are not alone.
You are not alone.
You are not alone.
You are not alone.
But you are not alone.
You are not alone.
You are really not alone.
You are not alone.
And you're not alone.
You are not alone.
I am here for you.
I am here for you, Izzy Stevens.
Listen, I am here for you.
Here for you, whatever you need.
I am here for you. I am right.
I am here for you.
I am here for you, okay, honey?
I'm here for you.
Well, then I'm here for you, Stevie.
And I am here for you.
I'm here for you.
I am here for you.
I am here for you whenever.
But I am here for you. We're all here for you.
I am here for you forever.
That must be really hard for you.
It must be hard for you.
It is.
This must be hard for you, right?
Wow. It must be really hard for you to admit that.
Surgery, it must be really hard for you.
That must be very hard for you.
It must be hard for you.
It must be really hard for her.
That must be really hard for you.
And I know this must be really hard for you.
I mean, this must be really hard for you.
No.
I know that must be hard for you.
Okay.
I know this must be really hard for you. What if we rewrite the stars? Say you were made to be mine. Nothing could keep us apart. You'd be the one I was meant to fight. It's up to you, no, it's up to me. No one can say